Hello everyone, my name is Kibet Brian, and in today's video I want us to have a look at a quick review of Biotox Gold, and these are some of the things I'll mention in this video. So some of the things we'll have a look at is what Biotox Gold is, how does it work, and ingredients used in the manufacture of this product, and some of the benefits, and whether it has side effects or not, and how it is administered, and also where you can find this product. So without wasting my time, I want us to know what Biotox Gold is. So these are a dietary supplement that helps people lose weight. So it is 100% natural, and without wasting my time, I want us to have a look at some of the ingredients used in the manufacture of this product. So one of them is Malabar tamarind, another one is Panak ginseng, another one is guarana, electoral roots, Ifinga carbonensis, grapeseed, capsicum extract, maca roots, licorice roots, African mango, chromium, L-catharine, and raspberry ketone. So those are some of the ingredients that have been used in the manufacture of this product. And the good thing is these are natural ingredients. And what are some of the benefits of the natural ingredients? One of the good thing about natural ingredients is they are good detoxifiers and antioxidants. So I want us to have a look at some of the benefits of Biotox Gold. But before we have a look at that, I want us to see how this product works. So this is how Biotox Gold works, and as you know, weight loss is a journey. It is not something that you wake up and experience it right away. But with Biotox Gold, it starts working from the day you start using it. But don't expect noticeable results immediately. So it always depends on how much you want to lose. So if you want just to shed a little weight, you can see the results as soon as possible. But this is a journey. So if you are really serious about losing weight with this product, I recommend that you use it for about 3 months to 6 months, and that is when you will notice a huge change in your body weight, and also it will help you lose the belly fat. So what I have to say is you may not be able to notice quick results, but if you measure your weight, you will see some changes. Your energy level is boosted, and you also no longer have some digestive issues. So what I have to say is this product really works because it is in liquid form, so it gets easily absorbed to our bloodstream and it works immediately. Unlike the capsules, this weight loss pills, some of them may not have an immediate effect because it takes long for the body to absorb them. But with this Biotox Gold, it is easy because it is in liquid form, so it gets absorbed to our bloodstream almost immediately, and it starts working by boosting our metabolism. So that's how Biotox Gold works. Just a recap: for you to see noticeable results, you must be consistent with it for at least 3 to 6 months, and that is when you'll be able to notice results. So that's it. I want us to have a look at some of the benefits of Biotox Gold, and the reason why I like this product is one of the thing is it boosts metabolism. One of the main cause of weight gain and what causes people to gain a lot of weight is low metabolism rate, the rate at which our body break down food, and also how it break down these fats. So with this product, as you know, it has natural ingredients that are Low motivation and energy levels are two main factors that can make the weight loss journey very hard. So using this supplement can make a person feel active, energetic, and weight conscious. It also helps you get faster results. So those are some of the benefits of this product, this dietary supplement, and I want us to go to have a look at how this product is administered. So it is recommended that you take it 3 times in a day, and in each section you use 10 droplets. That is when you will be able to see noticeable results, especially in your energy level, and it will boost your metabolism. It will help you start losing the belly fat and also help you lose weight. So last but not least, I want to share with you a place where you can get this product. So you can get this product in the official website of Biotox Nutrition. Their website looks like this, and I will also leave a link in description for you to access it. As you know, these are product that is not available in any shop, or you cannot find it anywhere else except their official website. A good thing about this product is it is free shipping. So you just have to purchase a product and it will be shipped to your place of residence, country of residence. And that is it I have to say about Biotox Gold. The most important thing in this life is being able to help someone. And if you are able to help someone lose weight, that will be a good thing you have done to someone, because we are here to help each other. Have a nice day.